It's been revealed an international drug syndicate has been operating a grow house inside a Highett factory. Detectives seized more than 1,000 cannabis plants with a street value of more than $3 million. Crime reporter Lana Murphy.
The setup was elaborate and hidden in plain sight, but the men accused of running it were easily smoked out. The 57 and 35-year-old were led straight into custody, accused of cultivating more than 1,200 plants inside this Highett warehouse.
The reason that Victoria Police got involved was because of a tip-off from a member of the public.
Inside, detectives allege the men had built small growing rooms and constructed their own electrical system over a 6-month period.
There was a bit of a smell going around, like even all the way up the street. It was a pretty strong smell, so that was, pretty hectic. But, nothing else. There used to be like a little toy factory there. Some old bloke used to make kids' toys.
But this wasn't child's play. Yesterday's haul had a street value of $3 million.
All our major crimes that are committed generally have some sort of involvement with drugs, the road toll or within our homes or on the streets.
Police say the Vietnamese nationals were on bridging visas, tasked with growing the cannabis on behalf of a much larger drug ring. On Tuesday, another trafficking operation was uncovered, set up right above a restaurant in Alstonwick. Police seized a large amount of cocaine and MDMA and multiple guns. Ice, a taser and ammunition were also found. A 29-year-old has been charged.
It's always concerning to locate firearms in our community, especially in the hands of the wrong people.
Lana Murphy, 9 News.